The Journey of Timber, From Forest to Industry. Part 1. Introduction to the World of Timber Harvesting. Forestry is one of the oldest and most essential industries, providing resources that touch nearly every aspect of our lives. From the lumber used to build homes to the paper we write on, it all begins with the careful and systematic process of timber harvesting. In this video, we'll take you on an in-depth journey through each stage of this fascinating process, showcasing the cutting-edge machinery and skilled human expertise that make it all possible. Timber harvesting is a highly coordinated operation, blending technology, sustainability, and precision. Every tree harvested is part of a carefully managed plan to ensure forests remain renewable resources for generations to come. Let's dive into the incredible stages of timber harvesting and see how a standing tree transforms into the products we use every day. Part 2. Felling and bunching. Timber harvesting begins with felling, the act of cutting down trees. This step requires skill, planning, and, most importantly, the right tools. Advanced machinery like the John Deere 959M. Tracked feller buncher revolutionizes this process, combining precision and efficiency. The feller buncher is equipped with a high-tech saw head, capable of cutting through large tree trunks in seconds. But it doesn't just cut trees. It also collects them into neat bundles, a process known as bunching. This bundling makes it easier to transport the logs to the next stage. The operator inside the cab has access to cutting-edge controls and real-time data. With joysticks and touchscreen monitors, they can maneuver the machine with precision, ensuring each tree is felled safely and strategically. Every tree harvested is carefully selected as part of a sustainable forestry plan. Factors like tree size, species, and location are considered to minimize environmental impact and promote regrowth. In many cases, for every tree cut, several are planted in its place, ensuring a continuous cycle of renewal. This stage is where the transformation begins, from a living tree in the forest to a resource destined for industrial use. But the journey is just getting started. With the trees felled and bunched, it's time for the next step: delimbing and processing. Part 3. Delimbing and processing. After the trees are felled and bunched, they move on to delimbing and processing, where branches and excess foliage are removed. This stage prepares the logs for transport and eventual use. Enter the Ponzi Scorpion King, a state-of-the-art harvester designed for efficiency and precision. This machine is equipped with a powerful delimbing head that grasps the tree, removes its branches, and cuts it into precise lengths, all in a matter of seconds. The operator's job is just as impressive as the machinery. Sitting in the harvester's ergonomic cab, they control the machine with pinpoint accuracy, deciding the optimal lengths for each log based on its intended use. Advanced software provides real-time data, guiding these decisions to ensure maximum efficiency and minimal waste. Delimbing also has an environmental benefit. Branches and other debris are left on the forest floor, decomposing naturally to enrich the soil. This practice, known as slash management, supports the ecosystem and promotes forest health. At the end of this stage, what was once a standing tree has been stripped down to clean, uniform logs, ready for sorting and transport. But there's more to this story. Let's move on to sorting and loading. Part 4. Sorting and loading logs. After the trees have been felled, bunched, and stripped of their branches, it's time for the next step in their journey: sorting and loading. This process is essential to ensure that each log is directed to its intended use, whether for lumber, pulp, or other forest products. The first task is sorting the logs based on their size, quality, and type. This is done either directly at the logging site or at a centralized log yard nearby. At the heart of this operation is the Caterpillar 568 log loader, a robust and versatile machine designed for heavy lifting and meticulous sorting. Equipped with a large grapple, this loader picks up logs with ease and places them into designated piles. Each log is inspected and categorized to maximize its utility. Logs destined for lumber are usually the largest and most uniform in shape. Smaller or irregular logs might be directed to pulp mills for paper production or chipped for bioenergy. Some operations even use advanced technology, like scanning systems, to assess the quality of logs more accurately. Once sorted, the logs need to be transported to processing facilities. This is where the Komatsu WA500 8-wheel loader comes in. This loader operates with incredible precision, using its wide grapple or fork attachments to lift multiple logs at once and place them onto waiting trucks. The human expertise in this stage is critical. Operators handle multi-ton equipment with finesse, ensuring every log is loaded securely and safely for transit. By carefully sorting and loading, the forestry industry maximizes efficiency and minimizes waste, ensuring every part of the tree is put to good use. Once the trucks are loaded, the logs are off to processing facilities, marking the transition from forest to industry. From a standing tree in the forest to neatly stacked logs on a truck, the journey of timber is an incredible blend of technology, skill, and sustainability. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring that our forests remain renewable resources while meeting the demands of modern industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes insights into the industries that power our world.